Voyage to Balmoral Castle.
Here we go! There's a green train?
Yeah, but that one doesn't work. Bye.
There's only one green train.
Yeah, but that one doesn't run. I don't think she should play with that.
But it might be something like
Yeah, it might uncouple the train.
don't play with that. It might uncouple the train.
By the Royal Palace Theatre. Opened in 1983, Royal Palace has long been home to some outstanding performances, from animals to ice skating to magic, chubby checker and the twist, and rock and roll and fireworks, just to name a few. On your left, take a walk on the wild side through Jack Hanna's Wild Reserve. Hear the howling of the wild gray and Arctic wolves. Experience the majesty of the American bald eagles, and get up close with the lovable lorikeets of Lorikeet Glen. Then, catch up with your favorite furry four-legged friends at more pet shenanigans. Dogs, cats, rats, and more. Oh my! It's fun for the whole family. We are now approaching the Loch Ness Trestle. Did you know a trestle is a rigid frame used for support? These wooden roller coasters utilize trestle ridges in their construction because of the strength and durability of the structure. Hold on to your little ones as we cross over the valley. Ladies and gentlemen, look at the sky. Do you see it? There, just beyond the trees to the right. Griffin. The story is legendary. Two great beasts joined in one. The heart of a lion, the soul of an eagle. In this merging, a creature of fury and flight was born. With its opening in 2007, Griffin became the world's tallest and first floorless dive coaster, plummeting daring riders 205 feet, 90 degrees straight down. Listen, you may hear the sounds now. Folks, this is unprecedented. We have another extraordinary sighting there on your right. Direct from the Highlands of Scotland, the wondrous, the fabled, the one and only Loch Ness Monster. Nessie to your friends, thanks you all are. Nessie was confirmed guest for over 70 years. Nessie is the world's first and currently only interlocking double-meter steel roller coaster. Reaching a speed of 60 miles per hour, Nessie hurls passengers along 3,240 feet of steel tracks into the air, over water, and through a concave.
What bridge are we on?
I don't know.
You go up, you go around. It's not like Griffin, but see the drop is just a little one for a minute.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now pulling into the Tweedside station in Scottland. Please remain seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop. At that point, you may exit via left and left hand side only. Exits off of the platform will be in the front as well as the rear of the train. Once again, please remain seated till we come to a full and complete stop.